Okay, so additive volume. We're going to have 2 cubes. Remember how we draw our cubes. And then we are going to have another one coming off of that. So let's just say we have one right here. Okay. All right, what we have to do is we have to have, sorry, that doesn't look great. Okay, we have to have, separate, we go shut the door. We have to have 2 boxes. So I'm going to color this one purple. We have to see that we have 2 different boxes. This one I'm going to call A, and then this one I'm going to shade in blue, and I'm going to call this one B. Okay, let's say we have a width of 3, a height of 5, and a length of 4. Here we're still going to have a width of 3 because notice this one is the same as this, which is the same as this, which is the same as this. They're all the same. So we're still going to have a width of 3. And we are going to have a length of 6. And we are going to have a height of 2. So if you have to find the volume of shape A and B, and it wants to know the total volume, let's see if we can figure that out. So A, we know how to find the volume, is length times width times height. So A is length times width times height. So here we have 4 times 3 times 5. So here we have 12 times 5 is 60. So A has a volume of 60. Now let's look at B. B, length times width times height. We have 6 times 3 times 2. So I'm going to do 6 here. We have 36. Okay, so B has a volume of 36. It wants to know the total volume. That's this one and this one together. So to find the total volume, we'll say, well, we know A was 60. We know B is 36. So together, we have 96. So the total volume is 96. So when you are finding volume of 2 different shapes, make sure that you can either shade them in on your iPad or your paper. Make sure you're finding A and labeling a B and finding B and then putting them together. Okay, I always separate them. I always will label them A and B so we can find our answers.